here I have a record player, and it's all mechanical. You can see just put on the little lever there, and it automatically goes over and starts playing the music. They don't make things like these anymore. Everything's kind of digital these days, but this is all mechanically done. You can see the inside of the CD. You can see the inside of the record player. Now this record player does have a couple issues. It had a rusty motor, and it was giving some sound. So what I did is there was some rust on the motor, so I'm just scraping off the rust so that there's less resistance. And hopefully this will fix all our issues. So I've also re-oiled the motor, and it spins freely so that there'll be more power for spinning. Just putting the motor back in to the casing. Now how this works is you have one side that's already connected to the motor, and then there's this little lever here that when you push it down, it makes a contact, and then it will connect to the other polarity of the motor. There's also a capacitor there for when it first starts up. And here's a quick schematic of it if you need this as a reference. So after that, the record player spins very nice, and I was able to get the sound. You can just use a TV as your amplifier, and you can hear the music playing there. So the sound is okay. There's no issues there. I also connected this to my scope. I was able to get the waveforms. So if there is still issues with the sound, it could be your amplifier, because this has no amplifier inside it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.